This is a short video of a Seiko flip clock model SD501. My opinion, one of the more, if not most beautiful flip clocks ever made. The technique is supplied by Capel. The outside, the design is Seiko, and this clock, when it came to me, was in a very sorry state. It was very brownish, so extremely discolored. I brought back the original very white color. As you can see, it's working. Bright lights also working. You can see the motor running here. There you go. It's a 12-hour clock. I got it from Japan originally. I replaced the motor with a European one, and so now it's running on 220 volts, 50 Hertz. New cable, new plug, and I dare say this clock is in mint condition, good as new. Quickly show you the label. It said 100 volts, but that's now of course 220 volts, 50 Hertz. Thank you for watching.